Hi, you guys. I wanted to give you a little tutorial on what's expected of you in these drawings, the histology drawings, the tissue drawings. So I have some examples here to show you because I know that what's missing is what does it look like. So I have some examples from previous semesters where you can see that this individual put 4 drawings on one page, and this one has, it's colored. You don't have to color it. I'll show you another example that's not colored. And on it is the drawing. Remember, this is your study guide. So it's a drawing that's going to help you recognize that tissue when I show them to you later on. On the drawing then is the location. Where can this be found in the body? And what is a function of that? You'll have to learn at least one function in at least one location. So it ends up being, about 3 pages worth of these different drawings that, these are beautiful, that are done over the period of 2 weeks. So you'll have 2 weeks to do these. You'll do 6 on the first week and then the other 5 on week 2. So let me show you another example. This is one of somebody who didn't color them. That's fine. You can still get a good grade without coloring them. What you want to do is be as precise as you can. What did you see? We're asking you to highlight some of the structures, and you need to do a guideline, and on that guideline put what it was. Here was the cell nucleus and the cell membrane and a cuboidal cell, and this person has done a good job of illustrating it and being able to show all the tissues. So this is kind of what you're shooting for. Okay, again, it's 2-3 pages worth, 11 tissues altogether, so you'll do 6 in the beginning and then the rest later on. So that should help you. You're going to instead photograph them and send it in to me as an assignment. Remember that what you have to write down is all written for you in Canvas. So you have detailed directions there, but visually sometimes it's nicer to just see, what it is that I'm expecting from you. Good. All right. So if you have more questions, send them to me. If not, good luck with these. You'll be looking them up either through McGraw-Hill, that has some really nice little videos about the different tissues, and it'll show you all the structures, or through your text, very available. Or if you Google any of these, they're going to show up also. Okay? It's everywhere. Okay, good luck, happy drawing. Get out your colored pencils. Talk to you soon. Bye.